Hi, this is Martin Alvarado on a Quick Mortgage Minute, and today I'm here to talk to you a little bit about homeowners insurance and why you need to carry it, what are the requirements, what does it cover for you. So when you have homeowners insurance, it's a requirement. The bank, no matter what happens, they have to have you have homeowners insurance. Same obviously with your vehicle. You must have insurance whenever you're driving. And homeowners insurance basically protects against casualties. Let's say that there was faulty electrical, faulty plumbing, a hole in the home. You can call your homeowner's insurance and put a claim in, okay? What you do need separately that it does not cover is if you're in a flood zone. You need separate insurance if you're in a flood zone. Earthquake. I recently heard on the radio the other day that protect yourself. If you don't have earthquake insurance, your regular homeowner's insurance will not cover any damages that may be done in an earthquake. So your homeowner's insurance policy can vary from price. We recommend that most people check with the homeowner's insurance company that actually carries their car insurance. That's a good place to start to see if you can get a package quote. But it's going to vary based on the purchase price that you're buying and the cost to rebuild that home. Your homeowner's insurance policy, insurance company will actually give you a quote based on those factors. So homeowner's insurance is extremely important. You have to have it. There's some things that it covers. There are other things that it does not cover. Make sure to read your policy correctly. If you need help, we would definitely lend a hand to help you read your policy and make sure you're correctly covered. Thank you and have a great day.